Noah drew a scaled copy of polygon P and labeled it polygon Q. If the area of polygon P is 5 square units, what scale factor did Noah apply to polygon P to create polygon Q? So this is saying that he started out with a smaller P and he's creating a bigger Q. Now since we have the area of polygon P, we're going to need to find the area of Q to compare the two. So since Q is in a regular shape, we're going to break it up into smaller rectangles to find the area, and we know area for rectangles is length times width. So if we split it up into one rectangle here, we can say the area of this rectangle is going to be 6 times 3, which is 18. If we put another rectangle right here, it's actually a square, and we can say the area of that piece is 3 times 3, which is 9. And the area of the last piece is going to be the same as the top. So it's going to be 6 by 3 again. To get the total area from Q, we're just going to add all of these up, and that gives us 45. So if P is 5 square units and Q is 45 square units, we can see that if we were to put area of Q over area of P, that would be 45 over 5, which would give us 9. But a common mistake is to say that 9 was the scale factor. Since we compared areas, we have to say the scale factor squared is actually 9. This is because we're comparing the areas of the two instead of the dimensions. In other problems, you would compare the dimensions of one to the dimensions of another, but here we're comparing the areas. So that is why we're saying scale factor squared equals 9. So that means our scale factor is actually the square root of 9, which is 3.